Hi guys, welcome to this video of this new series of how to edit like Devin Jatho. And we've already made 2 lessons, on this edits. And this is what we've made in the last 2 episodes. So this is his video and this is our graphics. So this is just, this is the main video we're making like it. And this is below is the animation we're making. So this is the main thing we've made. This animation here for the comment strategy, and this text style, and after that this animation here. And in today's video I'm gonna be making this next animation. So we ended up with this clicking here, so we will make this animation of the comments. We'll make it step by step. Yeah, so let's just disable all these graphics we're making, and it's really simple. Just let's get this rectangle tool here and draw something like this, and keep this down and increase the roundness. Maybe change the size to be like this. Let's choose the color. We can write the comments here. Make it white font, and let's make sure it's aligned with this tool. And we have this small rectangle. It's a little bit darker, like this. And after that we have this line. Can make it like this. Hold shift to make it like in the same level. Make it 1. So sometimes the shift is not working, so you will have to make it. Let's decrease the opacity, and let's get this icon of the send. And you will find the similar ones here. So we can use this one. Get a fill color and add this fill effect. Make it white. And for sure we will make this, all link it to null object. So we can manage everything very easy. Now let's see, we have the Leo Messi. Remember, we've made it already, and we made it before. We can just reuse it here. We can duplicate it, so because we make some changes, go inside it and delete this background, increase the size. After that, Cristiano, but you see this blur here and the reply. So we will add them, and after that we will add these icons of the love. We get inside this and we make this more blurred, like this. Make it thinner, and after that we will get the second one, and we will keep, and we'll make the same thing for all the names. Let's get the Cristiano one here. This Cristiano. Let's duplicate this one and get it here. Make the same thing. Delete this, and also we don't need this. Duplicate the reply and add it below. Make the same thing for the blurred comment. And we don't have to have the exact same, comments, but just the way and the idea. We'll find. Let's get this Iman Ghazi one. Get inside, delete this. We don't need this now. And make the same thing for the comment. Duplicate this and get it below. We need one more, just one more. Let's get this Donald Trump one. Duplicate it so we have another, as we mentioned, we have another one to edit without affecting the first one. Delete this. I think this is enough. make sure it's aligned on the left, so we can make a something here which is like this, and let's start adjusting all of them. And now we have the let's get one more reply for the Trump one, and let's select all these replies and align them with this tool. Get it on the left, delete this shape, and let's have the icon of the like, this one here, and let's add it on the right, change the color to be white. Let's check with the main video. It's very small and it's gray. Select all of them and let's change the scale. Make it like this. And let's change the color, or maybe just decreasing the opacity so it will look like it's gray, like this. Align all of them with this tool. And we should have the null object at the top, just to make it easier to control all of them. And let's link all the layers to the null object. And after that, let's see, so we will make it from the bottom, so like this. And we have this shadow here, very easy to make. Let's disable this, and we have the null object, so we will get it up like this. And as I mentioned, you can have some more creators in the comments, but we don't have to waste time making things we've already done and know the idea. Opacity and the position. Let's get it. So this will be the final keyframe. Make it F9. We will not have the opacity here. We will just make it on the layers itself. And you see it's it's faster at the start, so we will go to the keyframe control and just make it like this. We can just, so it's fast and become slow again at the end, like this. And for the shadow, it's just a solid color, black solid color, like this. And just select the mask and select again and increase the mask opacity like this. And for sure it will be all linked to the null object, so just go with it. And we will need to cut the layers like this. Let's get back to the main video and see. So he just added reply for the first two comments, and maybe for the ones underneath, but we just see the ones in the top because there's a shadow. So we will make this graphic. It's very easy to make. We just agreed that if we don't have the same font, we would use something similar. So now let's get back. We will here make the changes. We will just remove these two comments. And after that, we will change the position. And for sure, these two likes. After that, changing the position. And let's link this one to the Cristiano, and this to the Messi tool. And also the reply, let's link it to the link H1. This for Messi. So we'll link this one for the layer of the Messi icon, and this second one for the Cristiano. And after, let's cut these layers again, Control-Shift-D. So let's move them like this and add the reply here. Let's go to get the Devin Jatho image. We don't have to recreate it again, just duplicate, this one maybe, duplicate it on the project and drop it here for the Devin. And let's get inside and change it. And let's change this to 9 maybe, because he will reply after the creator in the comment. Let's change the image because there is like the black out, this black edges. We will mask it like this, and that's it. We will give this reply and add it here, but we will change the color of this reply to be, I think, something like this, and copy the same thing for the, and make another reply here. Duplicate this comment, get it here, and also this reply. We don't need this to start. We will make this the new two replies for the Devin comment starts once the comments appear. You know, it's like this. So we will make the text just have a rectangle. It was like a, now this yellow color, would you add the fill color? Maybe gradient. I think gradient will be, you know, radial. It was like this was black or gray, and let's add the section below. We will surely make this, you know, new text feedback section part start from here like this with these new replies. And we can just make this, you know, some work inside this background like this, light sweep, and adding a glue for the section word. And from here we will have the transition and get back to the main video. Let's cut all the layers. And by the way, you can see the video is, you know, a little bit black after this, you know, comment section come up. So we will just, you will just make it by adding a new solid, black solid, and below these, all these comments section, you will decrease the opacity. You got it? So it will be dark like this. This is how you can make it. And for the transition, you can get like, you know, a pre-made transition, but I think this is, you know, we don't need this, just this white, and make it like this. But we need like, you know, some flash, so we'll increase the opacity, and after that decrease it like this. You got it? So guys, this was our tutorial for today. So next, you know, episode, we will make this. We will make this, you know, we will use for sure AI to make a video. Make video like this. So stay tuned. We will take this real, you know, step by step, so you learn every single animation, and you can learn how to implement it into your own videos and your clients' videos. Thank you guys for watching. I will leave the work files down below for each one, for each, you know, tutorial. So let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns regarding our lessons, and I'll make sure to improve and, you know, reply for each comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.